Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Burger King-style burgers. Start by forming thin beef patties seasoned with salt and pepper, press a dimple in the center, and sear on a hot griddle until edges brown. Toast sesame buns with butter, layer patties, American cheese, sliced onions, pickles, shredded lettuce, and signature sauce. Press lightly to meld flavors and serve immediately with fries or a fresh salad. Make a simple Burger King-style sauce by mixing ketchup, mayonnaise, yellow mustard, a dash of vinegar, and smoked paprika. Adjust proportions to taste, aiming for a creamy, tangy texture that complements beef. For perfect patties, use 80% lean beef, make 3 5-inch diameter patties, and avoid overhandling the meat. Cook on high heat for a fast sear, then rest patties briefly before assembling your burgers. Serve with warm fries for best results. Quick recommendation: if you love reading while you wait for burgers to rest, the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for recipes and novels alike. It reads comfortably in bright sunlight, stores thousands of books, and has long battery life so you can snack and read without worrying about charging. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. To get that flame-grilled flavor at home, use a heavy cast iron skillet or griddle and add a light smear of oil before heating. Press patties briefly mid-cook to increase contact, but avoid squeezing out juices. Layer cheese in the final minute to melt and butter toast buns until golden for added richness. Assemble quickly so steam heals the sandwich, then let it rest 2 minutes before serving to set juices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.